Yeah.
Hear me say, yeah, S to the K. Easy, you know easy, rapping nigga easy, no easy. I'm the baddest boy, I'm the baddest boy. You say I'm the baddest boy.
Yeah. It's your boy MC Streets, man, you know what I'm saying? The baddest boy in town, you know what I'm saying? That's how we do it. Afro Gaza, December 7th. It's going down on the rocks, man. December 7th. Shout out to all the sexy ladies out there, you know what I mean? I'm just heading to bed right now, you know? Just to chill out. That's how I do on my free weekends. No hard feelings to all the haters, man. I keep making that money. That's all it is, man. You can't stop me. Just follow. Show some love, man. Shout out to Club in the House crew. Shout out to Blessing Entertainment. Shout out to Star Money Movement. Shout out to My House. Those are my people, man. You know what I'm saying? Shout out to Motherland Entertainment. I got love for y'all, man. You know what I'm saying? Shout out to Westpac Electronics. You already know we keeping it 100. It's MC Streets, you know what I'm saying? So, to all my ladies out there, December 7th is going down crazy. Afro Gaza, first time ever. That's how we do it, man. You feel me? Just driving straight to bed right now. Cash me if you can.